the Emir of Zazzau, who is also the chairman of the Kaduna State Council of Traditional Rulers. Your Excellency, please permit me at this juncture to stand on the already established protocol. I welcome Your Excellency to Kaduna State, a state that continues to play a critical role in shaping Nigeria's political direction and development priorities. Your visit today is timely and significant. It reflects a leadership that engages directly, listens attentively, and responds with action. We acknowledge with deep sympathy the loss of lives in Yelwalta, Benue State, and we commend you for responding not only through pronouncements, but also by your personal presence in Makurdi yesterday. Mr. President, Kaduna has long been at the center of Nigeria's national conversation, politically, economically, and historically. In 2023 election, the APC received over 30% of the valid votes in the state. While that outcome may appear insignificant, it leaves room for growth, and I want to assure you that our able governor and ourselves will do everything possible to ensure that come 2027, Kaduna State will produce probably the highest number of votes in the northern part of Nigeria. Your Excellency, Kaduna has no reason to vote anyone else in 2027. My belief is strengthened by your administration's commitment to Kaduna in every practical terms. You have initiated a wide range of federal infrastructure projects that directly impact the state of Kaduna. Foremost among these is the reconstruction of the Abuja-Kaduna Zaria-Kano Federal Highway, which was flagged off by Your Excellency in April and reinforced by a substantial budgetary approval from the Federal Executive Council thereafter. Equally significant is the ongoing 2.8 billion Ajakuta-Kaduna-Kano gas pipeline project, which has reached 72% completion rate as at the end of the first quarter of 2025. We also acknowledge with deep gratitude your vow to complete the Ibadan-Abuja-Kaduna-Kano railway project, which will further reinforce Kaduna's role as a transportation hub in the northern part of Nigeria. Other significant projects under your administration include the recent establishment of the Federal Medical Center in Kafanchan and the Federal University of Applied Sciences in Kachia. For the people of southern Kaduna, and indeed the whole entire Kaduna state, these developments are not merely about access to health and education, they are more importantly about federal presence, institutional recognition, and long overdue inclusion. In Zaria, we have also seen measurable progress made possible by your support and federal backing. Through consistent legislative engagement and collaboration with your administration, and with the absolute support of our able governor, the governor of Kaduna State, we have secured significant federal investment in institutions of higher learning. These include the upgrade of the Federal College of Education, Zaria, into the Federal University of Education. Support has also been strengthened for the Nigerian Institute of Transportation Technology, the Nigerian College of Aviation Technology, and the Ahmadu Bello University. Federal funding secured under your administration is helping to expand infrastructure modernize their facilities, and increase their capacity to serve Nigeria more effectively. Mr. President, these are not abstract achievements. These are deliberate outcomes made possible through political will, budgetary support, and executive collaboration. Your Excellency, today, as you have commissioned a new set of transformative projects that will further enhance the lives of our people. These projects include the Institute of Vocational Training and Skill Development in Rigachikun, Soba, and Samorun Kataf, a 300-bed federal hospital in Kaduna City, and the 24 kilometers Kafanchan Township Road, the Tutunbiri Road, the 22 kilometers Kauru-Pambegwa Road, linking Kauru and Kubau local governments, the Vocational and Skill Training Center in Tutunbiri, and the launch of 100 compressed natural gas buses. These projects indeed speak for themselves. Collectively, they address real needs and will yield long-term benefits. More importantly, they also align with your renewed hope agenda of this administration. I must acknowledge the leadership of Governor Obasani. His focus on security, economic inclusion, and infrastructure has positioned Kaduna for sustained growth and development. The cooperation between state and federal governments is one of the reasons we are here today, celebrating results and fulfilling campaign promises. I thank His Excellency and his wonderful team. We thank our traditional and religious leaders for the wisdom and stability they continue to provide in our communities. We thank our security agencies for their vigilance and professionalism. We thank our party leaders, both at state and national levels, for remaining focused and organized. Above all, we thank the people of Kaduna State for their continued resilience, political awareness, and commitment to national development. Your Excellency, Kaduna remains committed not only to development but also to your continued leadership and the realization of the renewed hope agenda. Thank you, and I wish you continued strength and wisdom in your service to our country. May God bless you, Your Excellency. May God bless Kaduna State. May God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Thank you.